Pre-warnings. Did you ever see in the world a man or a woman 80, 90, or 100 years old, frail, crooked as a gable roof, bent down, resting on crutches, with tottering steps, infirm, youth long since fled, with broken teeth, gray and scanty hair, or bald-headed, wrinkled, with blotched limbs? And did the thought never come to you that also you are subject to decay, that also you cannot escape it? Did you ever see in the world a man or a woman who, being sick, afflicted, and grievously ill, and wallowing in his own filth, was lifted up by some people and put to bed by others? And did the thought never come to you that also you are subject to disease, that also you cannot escape it? Did you never see in the world the corpse of a man or a woman, 1 or 2 or 3 days after death, swollen up, blue-black in color, and full of corruption? And did the thought never come to you that also you are subject to death, that also you cannot escape it? Make the best of what you have while you have it.